We are getting ready to put our dinghy on the dock at FKG and going under the bridge, and we're all set. We got our dock lines on, we got every single fender on. We got boat hooks out, and fingers crossed, we have a nice successful docking.
I know.
And first boat has made it through.
Okay, good. More to the right.
Yep. How is it? How much room to have? Okay.
Yeah, if anything, you can come back to the left.
Yeah.
Follow the power cat.
All right.
Wow, look at this boat with the provisioning. This dinghy.
Oh, yeah.
All right, that was exciting. When do you want to swap out? And then just give me eyes on for the buoy.
Yeah. Okay, we can walk it in. We're
No, just nice, easy. Forward. Just don't stop it.
Okay, they got us.
Yep, they got us.
Might have
Okay, I'm in neutral.
this one first.
Woohoo! We did it! No damage!
I think, is it on there enough?
Woo! Where Pad Eye is gonna go. Thank you. Thank you, Devar.
One of the challenges we've been having under passage is our spice cabinet has been flinging open because of all the weight of the spice drawers. Anne found these at Budget Marine. Put a second latch on, so it's that much more secure.
Yay, no more tape.
Yeah, so we don't have to tape the door off anymore.
And look at, we did a little bubble wrap just to minimize noise.
We've got crew coming later today to help us get our boat to the Mediterranean. One of the things that our family mentioned to us last week when they stayed with us is that the guest side shower drain tends to drain very slowly. This has been an ongoing issue. We first noticed this when we were still in Cape Town a year and a half ago. They came in, they did some refairing of the shower floor to help it drain more properly towards the drain, so a little bit of an angle over here. Angle that a little better so that the water can flow a little more directly. What else I like to do when I'm working in an area so I can easily identify what lines are which, I'll just write on here with a Sharpie where it's coming from. So my head sink, shower sink, and then the shower drain itself. See if there's no blockage. I'm just going to dump a bunch of water in. And it seems to be pretty slow. You can see it trickling in. So I might have to do something to clean out that hose. You'll see that we've put car air fresheners everywhere in the bilges and cabinets, drawers, just to help mitigate some of that musty, bilgy, nasty, stinky smell that you get sometimes in some of these places.
Sorry, I'm sweating.
Oh, same.
Oh, wow.
Hey!
Yeah, we're already on.
All right.
Woo!
Yep.
Thanks for having me, everybody.
Of course, Carl, welcome.
It's great to be here.
All right.
Little souvenir from the Great White North.
All right.
Crown Royal just for me, thank you.
Hello. What?
We'll share it. We'll share it. Ooh, a rye version too. Look at that.
Yum.
That's gonna be good. Well, we'll probably have to crack this open tonight.
Woohoo! How you doing, Robin? Good to see you.
Entire crew.
First
First
toast.
time. First toast. Yeah. Prost.
Prost.
Good eye contact. Prost.
Yeah, eye contact.
Prost.
Yeah, absolutely.
Prost.
Well, guys also have to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not risk it.
That's not risky.
Let's
You
not
never know.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This hard-working crew member, Carl. What are you doing?
Just, brushing my teeth, scraping some rust.
We have a tradition on Gapo. You get a napkin. It's washable. You can pick a safety pin and then fill your pin up with these. You'll see some safety pins in here. These are other guests that have come here. Aww. Aww. Friend Rob had a surprise waiting for us here in St. Martin. Start with you, Robin. Aww.
A relentless pursuit of happiness or freedom.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
During her dental, they found and removed a loose tooth, which finally solved her heartbreakingly stinky breath. Poor thing.
Shotzi, your teeth are all clean now. That's right, cutie.
Fill me out with your smile.
Oh my God, we are so excited. That trick with the webbing on our anchor bridle where there was metal on metal has completely quieted it down. It is heavenly. It's such a great change. Took us a year and a half to figure it out. Don't make the same mistake that we did. This is the big day. We got our cruise schedule out. As soon as I check us out and we get the boat ready, we are heading to the Azores, 15-day passage.
How's my approach? I move in over left.
Yeah, more left.
We're gonna proceed to the bridge. We have
All right, you can see it from that side. Let me stand over here.
Okay.
And then you got your path from the other day. I would
Excellent.
slow down though a little bit.
I like the way on though that it gets me. This is only 1,000 RPM. Can't go too slow. I'm holding steady. We're on our path. How many feet on the left?
Plenty, 20.
So it's not hitting our heads with that.
That's attempt number 7. We believe that we should stay within single digits.
Yes. And you can see out in the distance, we're getting rid of some rotten stuff so it doesn't contaminate the good stuff. Dennis is down here, being mechanic extraordinaire. It's a big day.
I'm so excited. I'm ready.
Yeah. We're gonna go ashore. Robin's gonna walk the dog. I'm gonna check us out. And I'm looking at weather, looks great. I'm so excited.
Obviously put it in and then pull as tight as you can get it.
Yeah,
But then you have to have these flat
okay.
because what'll happen is it'll get bunched up.
We're testing our engines. One just died on its own. Let's both died.
Yeah. There's a fuel primer pump right here.
Behind the port side engine. So power, start. Uh-oh. Usually it starts way faster than that.
Honest to God, the worst invention is freaking flat tip screws because it just slides out too easily. Whereas if you put a Phillips or something else, or even an Allen or Hex or something, you have more grip. Whereas this, when you're in a tight space, this constantly wants to slide out.
Yeah, why do they do flats? They're
I don't
terrible.
know. Yeah, but it's annoying. I need a shorter, not girthier, screwdriver, so here's Stubby.
I'm Robin, and I am here from Dallas, Texas.
And how did we know
Created
each other?
these guys. We met in Cape Town, South Africa. I danced in this room right here.
Yes, you did.
I
That was
did.
awesome.
On
We'll
Christmas
show some
Eve.
footage.
On Christmas Eve.
That's right. And who are you?
Hey there, my name is Carl from Vancouver, BC, Canada. I don't really know you guys, but I really look forward to getting to know you because I mean, you know, you kind of still half real and half just a couple of photos online in that one video call that we had. Thank you for having me. This is great.
Awesome. And who are you?
I'm the captain with this wonderful crew.
Woo!
And we are just making progress, waiting for a weather window to have an amazing crossing.
For sure.
All the way to the Med.
Who are you?
Oh,
I'm an Ewok. Feed me.
We're thrilled to have our Code Zero repaired and at a reasonable price. This is our workhorse sail, and it was the final task before we could launch into our North Atlantic crossing. Huge thanks to Maddie and the team at Tropical Sail Loft in St. Martin. We can't recommend them enough. We remember to tie off every few feet for a safe launch, went off seamlessly. She's furled and ready to go. Woohoo!
Someone was given a tranquilizer and they're fighting the sleep. here at the vet. Look at that, she doesn't want to put her head down. You poor thing. It's okay, go to sleep. And there she goes. Woohoo! Magic touch!
Happy fingers.
We just took down our French flag. We are getting ready to leave the French side of St. Martin. Dennis is busy putting the predict wind routing onto our garments.
We are going to unveil and set up and rig up our brand new symmetrical spinnaker that we got from Zoom Sales. It's a nice beautiful purple. The snap shackle here for the guys. And then we have our sheets. We've got them nice and color coordinated. And then this shackle will then attach to the clew of the spinnaker. Similar setup over here. The sheets will obviously run to the outside of the boat. The guy lines will also come down on the inside. We'll come through the clutch, through the turnbuckle, and then onto the winch. We're going to use our 2-to-1 halyard, and then we're gonna hoist that up. This is a little bit different than our ASIM on a torsion line so that we can self-furl it. With this one, we've got it on a chute. This line is for the chute. Ready up front?
Ready.
Ready?
Oh gosh, I'm nervous. Dennis, let's go.
Yeah.
This is on the other side.
Okay, do we want to try this again?
Yeah,
Did you check our heading?
yes.
Okay, here we go. What's our wind and what's our speed? 5.6 knots of wind, 3.3 speed. We talked it out and we figured out some issues, but awesome. Thank you, team. Thank you. This is a combined effort, so thank you, everybody.
Oh my God.
I could chills just like
I know.